Assalamualaikum and hello to my lecturer, Dr. Kamran and all my friends. Now, I and my group member want to propose the final project presentation for subject VRG 3033, Computer Aided Design. Our final project is titled Second Life Bus Shuttle. Before I make a presentation, allow me to introduce myself and my group mates. I'm Nurhaifa binti Masad, holder of metric number D202120999294.
I am Ni Aisyah Atifa binti Hadi, holder of metric number D202120999288.
My name is Validia Maci Anabahi, holding metric number D202920999284.
Hello doctor and everyone. My name is Hanan Najiha binti Jafri. My number matric is D202120999295.
A bus stop is a location or place where a bus stop for the purpose of pick up and drop off passengers safely. Usually, there are various groups of users waiting at this bus stop, such as the disabled, the elderly, and the young. And there are also students. Accordingly, bus stops are also provided to ensure the safety of passengers. For example, by having a bus stop, it can prevent passengers from trying to get on or off in dangerous situations, such as at intersection of where the bus stands and does not use the roadside lane. However, nowadays we can see in Malaysia, there are surrounding the bus stop is dirty and there is a lot of ditch that cause many passengers not interested in waiting for the bus stop. This is because this is danger to the facilities provided, such as sick, lacking roof, broken poles, and so on. It is of course because by human hand that do not know how to appreciate the facilities that have been provided. In relation to that, the existence of a bus stop is very place is not only a basic facility for user to connect them from one place to another around their area, but it is a source of various facilities. For example, it need to be equipped with a general information source as an addition function to be more user-friendly and efficient for user. The design and location of bus stop is recording as an important element in effort to improve the quality of bus service. Therefore, some improvement or change to bus stops shall be done in terms of infrastructure to maintain the comfort of passenger. This is because some bus stops still do not meet the design criteria of bus stop as a whole. So we made a design to renew the bus stop at title Second Life Change.
For design procedure, our concept is more about 3R, which is reuse, reduce, and recycle, where we use solar as our main source of electricity and rainwater harvesting system as our main source of water for water cooler. Recycling can give a great benefit to us and our world, which is why this bus stop is named as Second Life, where everything should be given a second chance. How this design is great. So the bus stop has a sloping roof surface in order to aid the solar installation. Each curve of the wall is inspired by the letter R that has been mirrored and trimmed. This concept is used in order to emphasize the use of the 3R. The CCTV is provided at the arch of the bus stop to ensure the safety of the public, and the TV is installed to show the detail of the trips. In addition, the rainwater harvesting is provided at the back of the bus stop to recycle the rainwater, which is filtered directly into the water cooler. The trash bins are provided at the side of the bus stop. By practicing this technique, we can save our earth. We have 8 ledger, which is vertical levels with 1 tree, water cooler, surveillance camera, display panel showing bus arrival time, solar panel, rainwater harvesting system, water tank for rainwater harvesting system, and lastly, we have recycling bins, 3R bins. Vertical lower which vine tree is used to trap heat and cool the surroundings so that users feel comfortable because existing bus shelter only use mirror or wood as wall. Water cooler is used to make it easier for users to take or fill water if they are thirsty. In addition, it can save user time as they do not to go to store to buy water. Surveillance camera is used to detect criminal activity and protect against burglaries to maintain public order. It also provides reassurance and promote well-being because the existing bus shelter does not have surveillance camera and so many criminal activity had happened. Display panel showing bus arrival time is made it easier for user to see bus shelter schedule. Besides that, it can help user from missing the bus. This is because the existing bus shelter does not have display panel. Because many users to be insensitive and neglectful, which the presence of display panel, it can help user to be more aware of the incoming buses. Solar panels are used to give and supply energy to all systems found at the bus shelters such as water cooler, surveillance camera and display panels showing bus arrival time. Rainwater harvesting system is used to treat and distill rainwater. Distilled rainwater will be supplied to the water cooler to be used as source of drinking water for bus shelter user. Water tank for rainwater harvesting is used to store rainwater. Last part of legend is recycle bin. 3R bin is used as a place to conserve resource by providing a space for user to put what is considered as waste to make new material. For example, blue bins are reserve of paper, orange bin are for cans, aluminium, plastic waste, and steel cans, while brown bins for glass disposal. Which the presence of recycling bins is can protect our precious environment in many ways. As we know, plastic take long to degrade. If plastic dumped into the ocean, it will harm the marine life. We will present to you a video part of Second Life bus shelter.
Size of design before modified. Roof up with radius 1500, width 2889 mm, length 600 mm, hole length 3500 mm, bench length 600 mm for both sides, width 3700 mm, base length 7800 mm, width 3800 mm. Size of design after modified. Roof up use radius 1000 for right side and radius 2000 for left side. Length 200 mm. Pole height 1889 mm. Up radius 2500. Bench length 600 mm. Height 600 mm. Base length 7800 mm. Length 3800 mm. Water cooler height 700 mm. Vertical lower with vine tree height 1700 mm. Common use for design 1. Move, copy, offset, trim, mirror, rotate, arc line, extrude, join, group, press pull. Common use for design 1. Move. To move selected object to another location in the drawing. Copy. To make a copy of selected object. Example, the bench. Offset. Create parallel copies of line, arc, and circle. Example, in a frame. Trim. Delete portion of selected object that cross a selected cutting edge. Example, the pole. Mirror. Create a symmetrical reflected object from the original selected. Example, the pole. Rotate. To rotate selected object to angle specified. Example, the roof. Arc. Draw an arc of any size. Example, roof. Line. Used to draw lines. Example, the base and curve. Extrude. To give the height of object. Example, base. Group. Create and manage sets of safe object. Join. Join similar object to form a single unbroken object. Press code. Used to create area formed by the closed boundary. Command used for design 2. Move, copy, offset, trim, mirror, rotate, arc, line, extrude, group, join, press pull. Command used for design 2. Move. To move selected object to another location in drawing. Copy. To make a copy of selected object. Example, the bench, glass, hall. Offset. Create parallel copies of line, arcs, and circle. Example, inner frame. Trim. Deletes portion of selected object that cross the selected cutting edge. Example, the pole. Mirror. Create a symmetrical reflected object from the original selected. Example, the pole. Rotate. To rotate selected object to sit to angle specified. Example, the roof. Arc. Draws an arc of any size. Example, roof, curve of the glass, hole. Line. Used to draw lines. Example, the base and curve. Extrude. To give the height of the object. Example, base. Group. Create and manage set of sub-object. Join. Join similar object to form a single unbroken object. Press pull. Used to create area formed by the closed boundary.
Lastly, I want to share about the conclusion of the project that we made. In conclusion, a bus stop is where the bus stop for passengers to get on and off the bus. Bus stop construction tends to reflect labels of bus, where stop in a busy location may have shelters, seaters, and possibly electronic passengers information. Less busy stop may use simple posts and flags to mark the location. Bus stop in some locations cluster together into transportation hubs that allow interchange between routes by nearby stop and with other modes of public transportation to maximize convenience. In addition, it can be obtained here that by renewing the design of this bus stop can guarantee the safety and comfort of the public who the public transport such as bus. The use of public transport is one of the ways that can increase the country's income and can save time. Therefore, the comfort of the public who use public transport such as this bus is very important. Waiting places like this bus stop are the main places by their wait for the bus, maybe for a long time. Bus stop infrastructure range for the simple post and sign to the basic shelter to the shop-tilted structure. Flags mounted on the post with appropriate names, symbol are among the bus stop. Shelter may have a full or partial roof supported by 2, 3, or 4 side construction. Modern stops are simply steel and glass or perspex construction, as well as beam construction of timber or concrete bricks. Construction may include small built-in seats. The construction may feature advertising from a simple poster to complex illuminate, changeable, or animate displays. Some installations have also include interaction advertising. Advertising may be the main reason shelters and advertising pay for bus shelters. The design and the construction may be uniform to reflect the large corporate or local authority provider, or the installation may be the personal or distinction. Several bus stops can be grouped together to facilitate transport between routes. This may be arranged in simple rows along the route or in parallel or diagonal rows or multiply stops. A group of bus stops may be important for a transport hub with additional facilities such as waiting rooms or ticket offices. The outer group of bus stops can be classified as a basic bus station. Furthermore, head stop and less often tail stop indicate to drivers whether they should stop. Buses with their rear platform of a driver cab level with a flag. In certain areas, roads areas next to the bus stop may be specially marked and protected by law. Oftentimes, car drivers may not be aware of the legal implication of stopping or parking at the bus stop. In a bus rapid transit system, bus stop may be more complex than street bus stop and may be called station to reflect this difference. They may have enclosed areas to allow of bus percolation of quick boarding and be spaced further apart such as tram stop. Bus stop on bus rapid transit line may also have more complex construction that allow level boarding platform and doors that separate the enclosure from the bus until it is ready to board. Therefore, in a way, therefore, a more supplicate bus stop and provide comfort to the public who use the bus. So that's all from me and for my group. Thank you.